Just give you a quick rundown here. So this is screen number 1. This starts the conveyor. They can shut the filling off at any time if they want to pause the line. There's going to be a remote push button station with 2 buttons that'll start the conveyor and start and stop the filling. We can manually give the OK to dump signal to the filler here. Release filled jugs. What this does is this opens up the, retracts the stopper cylinder and runs the conveyor. So if they have jugs sitting in the fill station, they can push and hold this, and this will run the filled jugs down to the end of the line. Settler, they can select the settler on or off. This stays in this condition where the power is turned on and off. They can jog the settler at any time by pushing this. This is the filling and settling time, so they can just change that to whatever they want. If it needs a lot of settling, then we could put 10 seconds in here, whatever's required. So when it gives the OK to dump signal, it starts that timer. When it times out, it indexes. Okay, screen 2. These are just that just shows you all the inputs and outputs. And sorry, I'll go back to the main screen here. The photo eyes, most of the signals are shown on the main screen. Okay, so that's your filler dumping input. We've got photo eye 1, 2, and 3 are here. Okay, it tells you the remote start and stop, status. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, remote start is here. That's the push button at the end of the line. So it just toggles it from off to on. Okay. And then this again is just a representation of all those of the different inputs. Screen 3, we can manually activate all the outputs. Okay, there. Screen number 4 is the additional timers. Okay, so they're all adjustable. Okay, just hit the value, hit a new number, and enter, and then away you go. Okay. Now, when I was programming, I realized that we don't want them to start if there's a jug or something blocking the line. When we hit the start button, we don't want the system to start because it'll just cause a mess. So if a photo eye is blocked and they hit the start button, it gives you this message. Okay. All right. So what they do as described here, they will press the reset here, and then they will push this button to clear all the jugs out, and then away they go. Okay. So photo eye 1, 2, 3. When all the photo eyes are blocked for 1 second, the process starts. Okay, so cylinder number 1 is holds back the empty jugs. Cylinder number 2 clamps the jugs at the filling station. Cylinder number 3 is the stopper after the fill station. It's normally extended anyway. Number 4 is fill spout down, and we have the OK to dump signal to the filler. Now this happens fast. I'm going to dump it here. Okay, and you'll see what happens. Okay. So the OK to dump goes away so that we don't get a double dump. Okay, and then there we go. All the we had a 10-second filling time, so that happened pretty slow there. Okay, so again, we got all 3 photo eyes. Cycle starts. OK to dump signal. Filler dumps. So what we'll see first is the spout will go up. Then this will retract. This will go on. This will go off. So that'll release the jugs. Then this one will go off to let the new jugs go on. Okay. So 3 to 5 seconds. Spout up. Jugs index. Releases. And then shortly this will close. So this will close to hold back the jugs. If you have any issues, let me know.